You notice your gas mileage has taken a nosedive recently, and maybe your car just does not feel as snappy as it used to. And then the check engine light pops on to confirm your suspicions. If you scan it and see P2A04, do not panic, but do not ignore it either. This code stands for O2 Sensor Circuit Range Performance Bank 2 Sensor 2. Let us break down what that actually means in plain English, because it sounds like a riddle. Your car has oxygen sensors that sniff the exhaust to tell the computer how the engine is burning fuel. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not have cylinder number 1. Sensor 2 is the really important part here. It designates the sensor located after or downstream of the catalytic converter. While the front sensor controls the air-fuel mix, this rear sensor is the tattletale. Its main job is to monitor if your catalytic converter is doing its job of cleaning the exhaust. Normally, this sensor signal should be pretty steady. If the computer sees the signal jumping around wildly or going out of range, it sets this code. Now, here's the insider tip that can save you money. Do not just assume the sensor is dead. A very common cause for this code is actually an exhaust leak. If you have a small crack or a rusted gasket near that sensor, fresh air gets sucked into the exhaust stream. The sensor sees that extra oxygen, freaks out, and sends a weird signal to the computer. So, before you buy a new sensor, get under the car or have a mechanic check for leaks. Listen for a ticking sound when the engine is cold. Also, check the wiring. These wires run near extremely hot exhaust pipes and sharp metal edges. I've seen plenty of wires melted or chafed through, causing this exact code. Of course, the sensor itself can fail. They live a hard life in a stream of hot exhaust gas. But if you replace the sensor without fixing an exhaust leak or a broken wire, that light is going to come right back on. Troubleshooting is about being a detective, not just a parts changer. Check for leaks, check the wiring, and ensure your engine is not misfiring before you condemn that oxygen sensor.